Hey, in this episode, we're going to be changing the chrome Indian mirrors to these black ones. So if this is something that interests you, stay tuned because here we go. All right, we're doing a lot of things to this bike. We're going to do a full paint job to it. We're just changing all the things that basically Ray wanted to do to this Indian Scout. So he wanted to change out these chrome mirrors to these black ones. They are an Indian modeled mirror, and the part number on that is 2881013-463. The price is, you probably could get some RLNS that were about the same price or more, but these are about $200. So if it's something you like, cool. I think he got a coupon on this. He might have gotten a deal on the mirrors. I really don't know. Anyways, you just want them installed. So basically with these, I can almost hand brake them, just like so. I just push it, hold on to the handlebars, and this nut here will turn. It's supposed to turn freely. I can just spin this right on out. This is your tightener. All mirrors will be similar in nature. So now this has been removed. Again, as you can see, this will come down and up depending on the height that you want. Okay, so we're going to go full down and we're going to start screwing this in. Little catch, start twisting. And we're going to just turn these on. Basically tighten this up. And go one more turn. And then we will start to tighten. You're going to want a 17mm wrench. And I'll take a look at it from behind. Feel like I'm sitting down. And this also has a twisting locking mechanism right here. So I will first lock this down in position. Try not to mar the nut. And I liked it about right here. And that too is also 17mm. Okay, snug it up. You'll sit back in position. And I think I like that. Now there might be more adjustment we need. I don't know yet. I think I like it more like that. And there you go. That's it. You have two adjusting nuts. Tightening nuts, whatever you want to call them, to keep this thing in place. And then your mirror also can adjust through, right? But this will be your locking mechanism here and here for the direction you want your mirror at. We're basically going to repeat it on the other side. God damn, that was in there. Didn't want to lose that, did he? So this side, I don't know if you've noticed or not, it actually broke. That's why he went with the black ones. You needed another mirror anyway. And so we're just removing the old broken mirror. And that's why we're repainting this bike too. You can see the little scuff mark right here. I don't know, we might give old Ray a new nickname. I don't really want to give him the nickname Crash, It may be Evel Knievel. So again, we're just going to tighten this down. Okay, I'm going to loosen this back. I'm going to bring it around. That feels pretty good. So I'm going to swing that out. And we're going to tighten this nut down. And I'm trying to see what way I like it. That looks pretty good right there where it's at. Okay, so lock down this nut here. And this nut here should already be tight. And it is. Alright, I like that work right where it's at. We're going to have to probably adjust it again. Who knows? It might be perfect. With that, that's an easy install. And Ray likes these mirrors, so we're going to put them back on. We'll just put the black version on. And pretty simple task. So with that, hopefully that helps. I know it's kind of simple, but some people need a little extra help. They're not sure exactly how it works. So for that, that's the mirror install on a Indian Bobber icon. It's not a bobber, Indian Scout icon. Sorry, I actually own a bobber too. So with that, that'll be it. Again, as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell. You know what to do. Okay. All right. Later.